guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be unboxing May's gel box subscription box. So yeah, let's just get straight into it, guys. So first thing first I see is this card, and it has a little list of the stuff you get in the box. Oh, I'm trying to pull out stickers. So here we have the nail inspiration picture. Very cool. Oh, we have another sticker. No, there's nothing more in there. So let's get into the main part. We have a cuticle oil. We get one of these every month. We have a liner and dotting tool. We have a nail file, my absolute favourite nail files of all time. Here, oh, we've got some charms, and they looks like there's 4 of them in there, and they are roses. And then we have our gel colours, and you do get 4 full-size 20ml gel colours. So here we have Canva, which looks like a lavendery colour. We have Expose, which is a neon orange. I love my neon colours. Then we have Feedback, which is like a dark foresty green colour, I would say. And then here, oh, we have Blooming Gel. So I've never used Blooming Gel before, so seeing as I got this, I'm going to have to do some research on how to use Blooming Gel, because I've never used it before. So I'm going to go and swatch these off camera, and I will be back, guys. Hello guys, I am back. So these are the gel colours we got in this month's subscription box, as I showed you. So the first one is Canva, which is a really nice pale pastel lavendery colour. Super nice. Then the next one we have is called Expose, which is a neon orange, which, oh, I love. Just look at that colour, stunning. Then the next one we have is called Feedback, which is this really nice green here. And then this one was Blooming Gel. I've never used Blooming Gel before, so I just put it on top of a white base coat, and I just chucked some of these colours on top, because I don't really know how to use Blooming Gel. But yeah, this is what I came up with. Because obviously Blooming Gel is clear. So I really like these colours we got in this month, with this orange one absolutely being my favourite, and I'm going to have fun experimenting with Blooming Gel and seeing what I can do with it. So yeah, if you like this month's box, great. Don't forget to subscribe. It just takes 2 seconds to hit that button and help a girl out. And I'll see you all in another video, guys. Bye!